We all have an endless list of tasks to accomplish, and sometimes we place high expectations on ourselves, striving to become the perfect mother, wife, daughter, friend, and more. However, this constant pursuit of perfection can create tremendous pressure for us. When we fail to meet these expectations, we tend to judge our self-worth and believe that we are not good enough. Consequently, we may live in an unhappy state, despite our efforts to prove our self-worth through various accomplishments. Nevertheless, it is essential to remember that we are already enough just as we are. Our worth is not solely based on external achievements or success. We are already complete and whole individuals. This doesn't mean that we should stop striving to improve and grow. Instead, our desire for self-improvement should stem from a place of self-love and self-acceptance, not from self-judgment, self-criticism, comparison, or seeking validation from others. For instance, if you want to excel as a mother to your children, your motivation should not come from a desire to prove to others that you are a perfect mother or from comparing yourself to other mothers who have their unique parenting styles. Instead, your intention to become a good mother should arise from a genuine love and care for your children. It's normal to make mistakes and not fulfill our duties perfectly, and we shouldn't label ourselves as bad parents based on those moments. Perfectionism is an unattainable myth. Instead of striving to be superwomen, we should focus on aligning our actions and thoughts to cultivate happiness within ourselves. Remember that you are already amazing, complete, and magnificent, regardless of what you do or don't do in this physical life. Allow yourself to relax and let go of the need to constantly prove yourself. Even if the house is messy, some items on your to-do list remain unchecked, or your career isn't progressing as quickly as you expected, know that you are still incredible from the inside out. It's not the specific tasks you accomplish in the material world that truly matter, it's the way you approach even the smallest actions. Infuse each task with love and intention, and you will find fulfillment and purpose in whatever you do. It is indeed beneficial to achieve accomplishments and success in life. However, if the sole purpose of your hard work and success is to prove your self-worth to others, it will not bring genuine happiness. In fact, you may find yourself feeling empty and drained even after reaching our goals. True fulfillment comes when your hard work and success stem from a genuine desire to contribute your talents and skills, not only to improve your own life, but also to positively impact others. When your efforts align with this purpose, your hard work will energize and motivate you, rather than leaving you feeling drained. Let our efforts and achievements be expressions of self-love that we extend to the world. Instead of focusing on self-criticism, judgment, comparison, and a sense of lack of self-worth, let us shift our perspective towards self-love and acceptance. This transformative shift will permeate every aspect of our lives. By allowing love to guide every action we take and every thought we think, we can create a positive and nurturing environment for personal growth. Furthermore, it is crucial to develop self-awareness and recognize both our weaknesses and strengths. Without self-awareness, we may unfairly judge ourselves and attempt tasks that are beyond our abilities. It is akin to a fish trying to fly like a bird or a bird attempting to swim like a fish. Such actions only result in a misjudgment of our self-worth. Instead, we must embrace our uniqueness and potential contributions to the universe. No one is inherently superior or inferior to others. Each of us is a remarkable individual, with a combination of strengths, weaknesses, talents, and experiences that make us complete. The journey of self-discovery and personal growth is invaluable, but it should be driven by a genuine desire to explore and develop our existing potential, rather than a belief that we are lacking something fundamental. This understanding will open the doors to finding our true selves and realizing our full capabilities. In a world that often tells us we need to constantly strive for self-improvement and seek external validation, it is refreshing and empowering to embrace the notion that we are already complete as we are. The idea that we don't need to do anything to reach a state of wholeness or fulfillment can be a liberating mindset shift.